No guts, no glory. What do you do when you think a work you have made is not good enough and you see that it needs some rigorous action? Think like an artist, act like an artist. My name is Astrid Moors. I'm of the visual order, and sometimes that requires brutal action. This is the painting, and this is the last time you will see it like this. You might be wondering why. Because I can, and because I like to make my own puzzles, because I like to work in series, and this will be an instant series, and because I wonder what it's going to be like, and maybe I can put them in a different order, upside down, and I'm curious. And just like you, I can imagine. Cut the crap. Next step is to look at the small ones and decide what they still need. You can't go back. There's no Ctrl-Z in the real world. Will you come and see the end result? Make an appointment and pay me a visit. In real life, in my studio, or via Skype, or Zoom, or whatever. You're welcome. No guts, no glory. I have made a painting with the title No Guts, No Glory. This one. What a cutie, right? It's part of a private collection.